Alam mo ba na mas madali na mag-ikot sa loob ng Camp John Hay? Baguio City, here we go! Yes, we are here at the summer capital of the Philippines to witness the U.S. sustainability movement of Lexwich and Baguio City. A highly urbanized and fast-developing city deserves zero-emission and next-generation transportation solution. Hindi ba mas masarap huminga kapag mas malinis ang hangin? Baguio strive to modernize their transportation targets to reduce 30% of greenhouse gas by 2025. And we're making big progress because of the BCDA, JHMC, and CBSTC collaboration. Finally, meron ng EV bus sa Baguio City. Saktong-sakto yan sa mission ng Lexwich na matulungan bawasan ng carbon footprint with their electric buses, and we have here the EV6 na kayang-kaya ang rugged terrains of Baguio. And good news! These fully electric buses are now ready to serve you with the John Hay look. Ang pinakamaganda dyan, they offer libre sakay at meron itong 8 stops. So tara, samahan niyo ako at ituturo ko sa inyo kung saan ang ikot nitong mga EV bus na to. First stop, we have the main gate station. Near the stop, we have the John Hay Convention Center, the Ayala Techno Hub, the BCDA JHMC office, and the Luwakan Road. Feel mo ba ang lamig sa Baguio City? We are now here at Filling Station A, our second stop of the John Hay Loop. Dito nyo matatagpuan ang Lemonade Hotel and Filling Station as well as the horseback riding. Kung gusto nyo naman pumunta sa Camp John Hay Grounds, Yellow Trail, Historical Core at Forest Cabins, dito tayo sa ating third stop which is the Scout Hill Station. Our fourth station is the Mile High Station 8. Malapit dito ang mga John Hay hotels katulad ng The Manor and the Forest Lodge. We also have here the Golf Estates and the Commander's Cottages. Dito sa Mile High, marami kayong makikitang mga restaurants at stores na pwede niyong puntahan at kainan. Tara, next stop na tayo! Our fifth station is the Gate 4 Station. Dito malapit ang South Drive, pati na rin ang Baguio Country Club at ang Chocolate de Batron. Di ba, kuya?
Yeah.
Our sixth station is the Sheridan Station. Near the stop, you can find the John Hay Golf, the Graphic Hotel, and the Country Homes.
Yay!
Our seventh station is the Mile High Station B. Near the stop, we have the John Hay Golf, the Graphic Hotel, and the Country Homes. The last station is Filling Station B. Near this stop, you can also find the Lemonade Hotel and Filling Station as well as the horseback riding. Dito nyo rin matatagpuan ng Paintball Republic na pwede kayong mag-outdoor activities kagaya ng wall climbing, paintball at marami pang iba. Kasama ko ngayon ang isa sa mga manager ng CBSTC na si Sir Clint. Sir Clint, ano ang pakiramdam na finally may bagong EV bus na sa Baguio?
Very happy. The Pope is very happy. And we're thanking our partners.
Kasama ko naman ngayon si Sir Johnny, ang isang driver mechanic ng CBSTC. Sir Johnny, kamusta naman ang pagdadrive ng ating Lexwich EV6?
Actually po maganda. Maganda imaneho ang Lexwich electric bus.
And there you have it! Our pines here in Baguio just got a whole lot greener thanks to Lexwich EV6, BCDA, JHMC, and CBSTC collaboration. Nakakatuwa dahil meron na tayong electric bus na sigurado makakatulong sa ating mga locals and tourists. And now, it's even more fun in Camp John Hay. Saan kaya ang susunod naming destination? Abangan! Follow us on Facebook and share your Lexwich experience and use the hashtag LexWitchIn. This has been your Sabina the Explorer and see you on my next adventure.